Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Cooking and Loving. Today I'll be showing you how to make an American classic. Yes, I'll be making cheeseburger, or what, how do you say, Papa?
Cheeseburger.
Yeah, or cheeseburger, whatever you guys say.
Cheeseburger.
But anyway, yeah, let's jump straight into the video.
Sigla!
We will be making our own beef patty with, we're going to use this grill, which is very nice. It's like American diner, like they use. But, you know, let's yeah.
Start.
Start, yeah.
That's the word.
Here we have we're just using simple ground beef, so we're going to, just gonna break something. Meat. Okay, here we have our meat. Then here is the other one. Now our secret power is the all-American seasoning and rub. This is used for smoking. If you remember, we did a smoking video. Brisket, pretty sure we used this. Yeah, this.
No, for the smoking, we actually did our own wraps.
We did our own, but this is basically.
We brought this just to try, but this goes very well. This is
very good with the.
Yes.
Me anyway. Let's sprinkle. You know what? Like, we're gonna go.
Yeah, the big one. You need not too much, but also not little bit. You need to mix it very well. Good, good. I like that you are getting the ends dirt in this one, not me.
Of course, of course, of course.
This time I'm gonna help you. This is quite easy, basically.
Yeah.
10 minutes and it's done. So get your end dirt there. Get on. Oh, you can smell the wraps.
Yeah, it's quite
good. Pepper and celery salt, everything.
I think it does say what it is if you guys want to know.
Yeah.
No, it doesn't.
It does. Somewhere it does.
So now we're gonna make big ass meatballs.
You can say big ass meatballs.
We're making big meatballs.
Yeah. Should we delete that part? No, I think we should keep it.
Yeah, no, it's fine. So like.
Yeah.
So yeah.
Okay, we will ask the video editor to put the beep.
Sì, zio Maurizio. No, vabbè.
So big meatballs.
Big meatballs. See, yes. Around about this size, because then we're gonna put another parchment paper and then we're gonna smash them down. Now here, this is a quite good tip to do. So we'll put another parchment paper on top. You get this.
Well, first,
big guy.
You can try with your hands just to give some shape, and then with a roll, probably you can do that by hands. But anyway.
See, and then
not too much. You gotta roll nicely.
Okay. And then.
Not too thin and not too. Let's see. Okay. Not too.
Hey, my bad. No, it
Not too bad. Not too bad actually. Not too bad. I mean, the shape is a little bit. But that's the shape of homemade, right? If it was perfectly circle. But to be honest, this is like perfect. Look at that. Very thin.
This is like a smash burger.
Because each of them we're making it two.
See,
we make a double patty because it's like cheeseburger, right? So this one needs to be pressed more. So get the paper back and let's shape them rightly. So.
Okay, you wanna butter up the surface. Okay, so we have our beef patty here. It's one, well that's two actually.
Love the sound. stabilize it. Good. Let's cook them up. I like my medium well.
Same, medium. Yeah. Here we have some bacon. What? Cheeseburger without bacon, am I right?
These are the strips bacon.
Yeah, American 80 strips.
The food is going to get a long day.
Yeah, it's fine. It's not
They
like-
will shrink, so you will print them. Okay.
Let's put one here.
I think that's no, because we need to put the cheese.
Yeah.
I think that's enough. Yeah,
Yeah.
put it on top.
Put it on top.
Yeah. Okay, that's enough.
Yeah,
So,
the cheese. Yeah, these burgers are.
yeah, flip them with the cheese. Okay.
Okay, maybe let's come to this second.
Okay, so that's Brando.
Yeah, this is Brandon's one.
He doesn't want any bacon, just want the cheese and a little bit of. You make your own.
Yeah, this again, I use the exact same one as I did in the steak and cheese thing. It's basically ketchup, mayonnaise, and honey.
Not too much.
Which is,
I think that's enough.
yeah, he doesn't like that much sauce, in fairness.
Okay, and I'm gonna get the chips. We're cooking the oven for it.
That's basically, that's just one patty, by the way.
It's simple, yeah.
It's just simple, just classic American cheeseburger. Okay, so first, so assembly first, we have the top bun. And then we have
Wow, you sure really like that sauce.
see, I like.
That's for sure.
And then we're gonna go with, I'm gonna take this
So
one.
we use two type of cheese. So one
Yeah.
is that, and the other one is the other one more
You know,
shiny.
okay, I'll take this one. You can take the better one.
Okay.
I'm gonna take this one. I'll put this right on top of
That's
here. This is a giant
cholesterol asking for
Yeah.
triple bypass.
Okay, we have one bacon. Yeah, that's true. Cholesterol levels are high right now. And two bacon. Top bun, and boom! Look at that. This is a monster. We put this here.
And then some chips over here.
Yeah, dipping sauce. We have some chips. Oh, you know what? So much easier if I can use my hands.
The own made style.
Yeah.
Use the hands.
Yeah, but
Alright, that's enough. So tomorrow we go to the cardiovascular
yeah.
surgeon just to check. Now that is to die for. No pun intended.
Okay, here we're gonna cut this now.
This is to cut and eat as soon as it's out of the pans.
Yeah.
Don't want to wait too long.
Yeah.
Otherwise the cheese is not melted anymore.
Right after that, you die. I'm joking.
Let's see the cooking. Perfectly cooked. I love it.
Still juicy. Look at that. That's still juicy. Okay.
Okay, the first bite to you.
First bite.
I'll fall off.
Yeah. My brother's eating them.
Brand is already eating.
See,
okay.
3, 2, 1.
That was a huge bite.
Mmm.
How is the spices? Do you feel the rub? Brando, how is yours? Do you like it? Look at that, big as
I came here without you calling me, then you could show me.
Yeah, that's good.
Looking sauce. Okay.
So goodbye, because I need to.
That's right. Seasoning, it's fantastic. If you see like one of those like, I don't know, American seasoning rub or something like that, buy it because it is really, really, really good. It tastes fantastic.
It's our recipe or version of burger, right?
Yeah, it is our recipe.
And then after this, diet for a week.
Yeah, I mean, you could put lettuce or like tomatoes to balance it out. But anyway, yes, alla prossima.